Question number 19. First part, 1 plus cosec A upon cosec A is equal to cos square A upon 1 minus sin A. So we take LHS. So when we take LHS, it becomes 1 plus 1 upon sin A upon 1 upon sin A, right? If you take sin A here, so it becomes sin A plus 1 upon 1 upon sin A. So this sin A is cancelled out. You get how much? Sin A plus 1. Upon 1. If we rationalize, then what happens? We can write it also 1 plus sin A. Now if you multiply here with 1 minus sin A upon 1 into 1 minus sin A, right? It becomes 1 square minus cos square A, 1 minus sin square A upon 1 minus sin A. 1 minus sin square A becomes cos square A upon 1 minus sin A. It is equal to RHS. I hope you done this. You get it now? We get 1 plus sin, we can write it 1 plus sin. Sin we have commutative property, so we sin A plus 1 can be written as 1 plus sin A, but 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A, because we need here 1 minus sin A, and because 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Sin square A minus cos square A, sin square A minus 1 is not cos square A, right? So because of that, should we do this? Next, question number 2. Question number 19, part 2. What is that? Put 2. That is root 1 minus what is cos A upon 1 plus cos A is equal to sin A upon cos A 1 plus cos A 1 plus cos A. So LHS root over 1 minus cos A अपॉन यहाँ पे लिख लो 1 माइनस cos A, नो यहाँ पे 1 प्लस cos A लिख लो और यहाँ पे 1 प्लस cos A इंटू 1 प्लस cos A, right? So what do you get? No, here because we need sin here, sin A. So 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A becomes root over 1 square minus cos square A upon this is 1 plus cos A whole square, right? We have taken this. Now 1 minus cos square A becomes sin square A. Sin square A upon 1 plus cos A whole square. Taking root over, so it becomes sin A upon 1 plus cos A. This is equal to RHS. Getting? I hope you understand. Actually we need this, that's why we make that arrangement, right? We multiplied 1 plus cos A, otherwise we multiply usually 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A, but as per what we need in RHS, as per that we can shift the things little bit. So what I did here, get it? Okay, what next? You done this? Very fast, huh? 18. Should I rub? Question number 18. What is that? 1 plus cos square A minus sin square A upon oh, it's theta. Theta, here is theta upon sin theta bracket 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta is equal to cot theta, na? How you done this? Cot theta. LHS is equal to 1 plus cos square theta minus sin square theta upon sin theta bracket 1 plus cos theta, right? This is we have. So done. What you are turning behind? can write here cos square theta plus 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta bracket 1 plus cos theta. You can write it like this. Sorry, you won't tell me, man. Question is like this. Here is वही मैं कहूँ ऐसा क्यों है सर 1 plus cos theta is here 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta is equal to cot theta. So we write here cos theta, right? We write here cos theta. So when you write here cos theta and bring this here, so it becomes, yeah, question is done. So it is cos theta, right? This is cos theta, and this as a whole converts into cos square theta, right? Cos square theta. So now you can write here cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta plus bracket 1 plus cos theta. So we take here cos theta as a common, so we get 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta bracket 1 plus cos theta. This 1 plus cos theta cancel out, you get cot theta. That is equal to RHS. I hope you understand. Huh? We just make a mistake in copying the question, you know. I made so much mistake in copying the question. Usually you are not also intervening, sir. You are going wrong. You are also enjoying, huh? Let him go. This was first part. Question number 18, first part. Should I rub?
Yes.
Question number 18, second part. Tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1 is equal to sec square theta plus tan theta. So you done this?
Yes.
LHS. So here we apply tan theta minus 1 bracket tan square theta plus 1 minus plus tan theta upon tan theta minus 1. This tan theta cancel out, right? You get how much? What do you get here? You get sec square theta minus 1 plus 1 plus tan theta, right? Plus minus 1 cancel out. You get sec square theta plus tan theta is equal to RHS. Here you use formula this as a whole. This one. This is convert into tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. This is right. Done this?
Yes.
What is next? Should I run? Question number 17. Part 1. That is cosec raised to the power 4 theta minus cosec square theta is equal to cot raised to the power 4 theta plus cot square theta. Is it? So you have LHS is equal to cosec 4 theta, cosec raised to the power 4 theta minus cosec square theta. How you do this?
Cosec square theta, cot square theta plus
Plus 1.
plus
बाद में when we open the bracket then it turns to be minus. So what you do? Cosec square theta whole square minus 1 plus cot square theta, right? So this is what you get, 1 plus cot square theta whole square minus 1 minus cot square theta, right? Hello. When you solve this, so 1 square plus cot square theta whole square plus 2 cot square theta minus 1 minus cot square theta, right? This 1 square becomes 1, this plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled out. This is cot raised to the power 4 theta and plus 2 cot square theta minus cot square theta. So lastly what you get is cot raised to the power 4 theta plus cot square theta, right? that is equal to RHS. You get this? This was first part. Okay. What are you doing?
Yes, miss.
ठीक है? Question number 17. Part 2. Part 2, na? What is that?
Sec square theta.
2
Sec square theta.
sec square theta minus
Sec raised to the power 4.
sec raised to the power 4 theta. Sec raised to the power 4 theta. Okay?
Minus 2 cos square.
Minus 2 cosec square theta. Oh. Plus cosec plus cosec raised to the power 4 theta is equal to cot raised to the power 4 theta minus 10 raised to the power 4 theta. Is it? This is the question. So when we go for LHS is like this. Then two sec square theta minus sec raised to the power 4 theta, right? Minus bracket 2 cosec square theta minus cosec raised to the power 4 theta. You get it? Oh. Okay. Now you take sec square theta as a common. Sec square theta as a common. So you get 2 minus sec square theta minus, if you take cosec square theta, you get 2 minus cosec square theta, right? अब क्या करेंगे?
Sec square theta minus tan square.
square theta. So 2 minus 1 becomes, this is sec square theta bracket 1 minus tan square theta minus this is cosec square theta bracket 1 minus cot square theta. ठीक है? This is what happens. This is 1 plus tan square theta bracket 1 minus tan square theta minus this is 1 plus cot square theta bracket 1 minus cot square theta. You get it? This sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. Difference of two squares. So you get 1 square minus 10 raised to the power 4 theta minus bracket 1 minus 1 square bracket cot raised to the power 4 theta. Right? When you open the bracket, what happens? 1 minus 10 raised to the power 4 theta minus 1 plus cot raised to the power 4 theta. What happens? This plus minus is gone and you get cot raised to the power 4 theta minus 10 raised to the power 4 theta. It is equal to RHS. You done this?